Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. Today I just thought that makes sense to take a look at the New Zealand dollar. Well, other currencies as the Great British Pound, the Japanese yen, were really discussed very often last couple of weeks in our daily videos, so it was possible to prepare the weekly research also on the Japanese yen on the cable, but on the New Zealand dollar right now we have setup that may be not worse than those that we have on the Japanese yen and the cable, but since we are talking very rare on the New Zealand dollar, so it makes sense to make some update, and you will see that's really very important scenario that we have here, and it has really great potential. So if we'll take a look at the high time frames in the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, you'll see some really bullish moments exist on these charts that point on significantly higher perspective, higher targets that market could reach. So in the short-term perspective, at least the 100 pips potential market has right now further upward continuation. On the daily chart, guys, here as you could see the moment when the market really has changed our view on the situation on the New Zealand dollar, and it was key moment of the sentiment shifting on the New Zealand dollar. If you remember, here we had the setup and we said, well, probably here we should get some retracement down because by many reasons. So first of all, you could recognize here the possible hand shoulders pattern. So if market will show this retracement, it should become the right shoulder. Also, that was the very strong confidence resistance, daily confidence, and market was a daily overbought. So odds suggest, so here there is no mistake that we talk on the possible short position because odds suggest retracement. When you're dealing with the technical analysis, you're dealing with the odds. It really should happen in a common situation, in the patterns. Because when you see the butterfly, you approximately could imagine what should happen and how you intend to trade it, but it doesn't mean that butterfly works every time. So here was something of that sort. Actually, you could see that minor reaction has followed on this resistance, but that reaction was not quite natural, or better to say, it just shows how market strong was, because here actually it has passed through this level as the knife through the butter with no respect and strong resistance, and just shows this thrusting upward action. Here market already has formed some kind of the bullish reversal swing, because you can see this upward swing right now greater than the previous swing down. And market right now is coming to the monthly pivot resistance, one daily overbought again, and the next 618 resistance. Right now, of course, we will not search chances to go short, but instead of that, we will be watching for a possible retracement that could give us the chance to go long. And as you can see, one of the patterns that could be formed here is, of course, Jordan Napoli bread and butter buy, because thrusting action here is very good, and here we could get some retracement because we still at the resistance, market still is at the overbought. Also, this is first bullish reversal swing. Usually after such kind of swings, market usually shows deeper retracement, and that's what we particularly will be watching for in the New Zealand dollar on the coming week. This retracement will be some kind of the deep to buy, as could provide us the chance to take the position. Also, guys, it very often happens that when market passes through the strong resistance areas as a confidence resistance, it usually retests them after it has been broken but from the opposite side. This also could happen. That's why on the 4-hour time frame chart on the common week, we mostly will be watching for two levels. First one is 71.32, first fib level, but most important levels is this confidence 70.66, 70.77. It in general coincides with the daily disrespected area. And actually, this will be a trade support. If we would like to get the bread and butter, we need to see the market will show retracement right to the major fib support of this thrusting action. So that's the pattern that we could get. Maybe market will form the double repo sale. This is also possible. In this case, retracement could be even deeper. But anyway, taking into consideration existence of the overbought condition and the first reversal swing, it better to suggest the deeper retracement here. That's why in the common week we will be watching mostly for that level, where market could form some pattern or something that will give us the chance to go long on the New Zealand dollar. Also, guys, I suggest that you read our weekly research, because there in monthly analysis and in fact in the weekly chart, you will see the major patterns why we think that New Zealand dollar really could continue move higher.